In this video, I'm going to show you how to set goals in Grammarly Editor so your writing gets smarter, more focused, and more tailored to exactly what you need. Whether you're writing an email, BuzzKeen, a blog post, an assignment, or social media content, Grammarly's goals feature helps guide the suggestions you see so the editor can better understand your audience, tone, and purpose. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to app.grammarly.com. Once the Grammarly editor loads, sign into your account if you haven't already. After you're inside Grammarly, you can either open an existing document or create a brand new one. This part is important because the goal settings are applied to the document you're working on, so you'll want to set them before you start refining your writing. Now, look for the goals option inside the Grammarly editor. Depending on the layout you see, it may appear in the sidebar or near the top of the writing panel. Click on it and Grammarly will open the goal settings panel. This is where you can customize the kind of writing you're doing so Grammarly can give you more relevant feedback. Here you'll see several different options. First is your audience. Grammarly lets you choose who you're writing for, such as a general audience, knowledgeable readers, or a specific group. Picking the right audience helps Grammarly understand the level of explanation and detail your writing may need. Next is formality. This controls how casual or professional your writing should sound. If you're writing a business email or formal document, you may want to choose a more formal setting. If you're writing something relaxed or conversational, a casual tone might make more sense. After that, you'll see domain. This lets Grammarly know what type of content you're creating, such as academic, business, technical, or creative writing. Choosing the correct domain helps the editor adjust suggestions based on the style and expectations of that type of content. Then you can choose your tone. Tone is one of the most useful settings because it affects how your writing feels to the reader. You might want your writing to sound confident, friendly, informative, persuasive, or something else depending on your goal. Finally, select your intent. This tells Grammarly what you want the writing to do. For example, you may want to inform, describe, persuade, or tell a story. This helps the editor better align its suggestions with your purpose. Once you've chosen all the settings that fit your project, click Done or simply close the Goals panel. Grammarly will now adjust its suggestions based on the writing goals you selected. That means the corrections and recommendations you see should be more personalized to your document, helping you write with more clarity and consistency. And that's really all there is to it. Setting goals in Grammarly Editor only takes a few moments, but it can make a big difference in the quality of your writing experience. It helps Grammarly understand what you're trying to say and how you want to say it, which can lead to better, more useful suggestions. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.